Hello everyone, you're in Endurance Laser Lab. In this video we are going to cut fabric. This fabric will be used for DIY pillow. We're going to use synthetic and cotton. We're using CNC 3018 and 10 watt endurance laser. First fabric is already placed. You need to make sure that it's plain and the laser focusing is done perfectly. We're going to use maximum power 100% and 600 millimeters per minute the speed, and it'll take about 2 minutes to cut the piece. Let's remove our cat. So this is the first one. The other 3 will be made out of different materials. Here is synthetic. Cutting parameters is 600 millimeters per minute and 100% power. Will be only one repeat. As you can see, it can cut quite quickly. Let's take it out. We're using the same template. So this is cotton with a little bit synthetic. The same speed, 600 millimeters and 100% power. Okay, well done. The last fabric is calico. We'll reduce the speed to 500 millimeters per minute and the same maximum power. So you can see that it was done well. So as you can see, we have 4 different cats and we did it with a laser, and it took us about 10 minutes to make it all. The good thing about it that you cut very small items without scissors. Another good thing that laser burns and melts fabric a little bit, preventing it from spreading. So hope that you like this video. Please share it with your friends and subscribe on our channel. So we got our cat's DIY pillow. If you have any questions, let me know. Email me gf@endurancerobots.com or text me +7 9162 2543 and visit our website endurancelasers.com and our online store endurance-lasers.com.